All right, hello everybody. This is Tad Stevens with Evergreen Reviews. Today I want to take a quick look at Facedrip, which is a new, they claim, first ever artificial intelligence assisted interactive video creation platform. It says one-click AI-powered app helps you create, host, market, and sell interactive videos for the Web 3.0 in less than 60 seconds. And from what I've seen, all that is true, but what they don't mention that I think they should and are leaving out is that it's a great video editor. I mean, just some of the stuff that you can do with videos, with the pieces that you import and pieces that you use. I think it's very good at that too. So let's get going and take a quick look at it. So here are a few of the things that you can do with it. They say the services you can offer, but you can also do them for yourself, for your own business, or for other people. And what's really neat, besides being just a video editor, interactive video creator, which is super cool, and I'll go over the interactive components in a minute, but you can actually get this system to send out marketing emails and SMS marketing messages, which is super cool. Omni-channel marketing services just means you can do it on multiple platforms. Interactive video creation services and interactive video marketing services, video automation and workflow. What all that means is that, I mean, you can put things like quizzes, opt-in forms, ask for different information, get engagement going with somebody while the video is playing, which is cool. And the automation piece is in workflow is that you can add it into a workflow to capture leads, use it as a front end to a sales funnel or midpoint to a sales funnel, things like that. You can record the screen. You can do booking services and lead generation. I mean, you can have your booking form right in the middle of the video, which is pretty cool. You don't have to say, tell them what to do during the video, go to this link in the bottom of in the description and things like that. It also has transcription services. It has text to speech. Let's see, they got a little typo right there, but email marketing, SMS marketing, we said that, sales automation. Oh, they also have video hosting. To do the interactive piece, you have to host it on their platform because that's how they do that. But, you can download it and just use it as a regular video editor. But they do have video hosting, comes with the program, which is really cool. Don't have to pay extra for that. And by hosting it on their system, you don't have, the suggested videos or ads or things like that like YouTube has. So now I want to switch over and play a video from Facedrip so you can hear it from them as well as from me and come back at the end and show you 3 bonuses that I'm going to have for you.
I'm sure you've been told a million times already that video is the best way to reach your target audience. Video is engaging, it improves search engine optimization, and builds brand recognition and trust. But there's one key problem that marketers around the world are facing today. Traditional video is passive, where your audience is expected to sit back and simply consume your content, but they end up forgetting it ever existed after just a few seconds and move to the next shiny thing on the internet. You see, the average person's attention span has dropped down to just 8 seconds in the past few years, making it incredibly difficult to keep viewers engaged. So you can't just reach through the screen and tap them on the shoulder, right? It would be great if you could have a conversation with them. In order to see any success, your videos should be able to start a dialogue with your audience, make them lean forward and take part. Adding interactive elements to marketing and sales videos can drive engagement by prompting your viewers with buttons, hotspots, questions, and forms to take various actions. That's the reason why interactive videos regularly achieve conversion rates up to a massive 9 times higher than traditional passive videos. How about that? They make your audience spend double the amount of time consuming your content, leading to higher sales and profits for you. Imagine from now on, you can create videos that have buy now buttons, opt-in forms, and links that help your customers read more about your products, buy your products and make payments, or go to your website or landing pages from right inside your video. Won't that be awesome? Wouldn't that give you an unfair advantage? Of course it would. Unfortunately, if you ever try creating such videos, let me tell you, it's not the easiest thing to do. Platforms like YouTube have put a lot of restrictions on videos, and you will also need to follow all the YouTube monetization policies, live in a country region where the YouTube Partner Program is available, and have a linked AdSense account. You need all that. And let's say even if you manage to do all this, the amount of time and effort it takes to create just one such video means that you won't be posting that regularly, right? Of course, there are a few apps out there currently in the market that may help you, but they either don't do enough or they're pretty darn expensive, with monthly fees, limited options, limited features, and terrible support. How do we know all this? Well, like you, we've been there too, but we knew not using interactive videos was as good as not using video marketing at all, because traditional videos would not get us any engagement, so we might as well save time and effort in creating them. We figured that there had to be a better way to not only create interactive videos, but videos in general for your marketing, agencies, and local clients, all in one platform that allowed us and our customers to create, host, market, and even sell interactive videos. So, what did we do? We got to work, and we spent over 24 months and tens of thousands of dollars in expense, and created a solution that takes care of all your video needs. That's right, and we call it Facedrip. It's the world's first artificial intelligence-powered interactive video builder. You can see the amazing things that Facedrip can do and try them on this very page. With Facedrip, you can now create interactive videos for the highest conversions, sales, and profits in just seconds. Let me quickly show you how Facedrip works and all the cool features inside it. You can record screen or record from a webcam, or even use third-party apps to record a video with equal ease. Or you can simply upload videos from your desktop or import videos directly from YouTube. You need zero technical skills to add. Intelligent opt-in forms, public booking links, e-learning courses links, payment links, schedule a demo button, visit website button, affiliate links, buy button, email reply, video reply for video testimonials, WhatsApp chat, all right inside the video. Everything is right there, point and click easy. Now, like we said, Facedrip is a complete solution to create, to host, and to market and sell interactive videos. You can also, though, generate high-converting video sales pages in just one click, and even skyrocket open rates with video email or video SMS campaigns, and do so much more. Really, this is going to be the last video builder you're going to need for all your video marketing needs. It's incredible. Facedrip has all the features you could ask for in a video builder, and then some more on top of that. Add GIFs, tags, virtual background, QR codes, bio links, integrations such as LinkedIn, Gmail, Salesforce, and a lot more with total ease. You could even create different workspaces to manage different projects for your business or for your clients. Once you have created your videos, you can instantly broadcast them as video emails or video SMS. You could also embed them on any website or page, and you could share your video as a widget or even use a private link to share it with your clients or your team. Amazing! You even get 10 gigabytes storage space absolutely free. How about that? See how easy it is now to create and use highly interactive videos for your business and get 10 times higher click-through rates, 4 to 5 times more page views, and a 300% increase in open rates for your emails? Imagine in just minutes from now, you'll be able to do the following. Create video ads with clickable links to your website or landing page right inside the video itself. Allow viewers to book appointments by simply clicking on a button inside the video. Sell your products by placing Buy Now buttons inside viral videos. Generate hot leads with opt-in forms and book a demo button that viewers can click while watching your videos. Insert your affiliate links inside a video and make huge commissions by sending traffic to offers that you're promoting. And create interactive e-learning courses and so much more. And you can do all this not just for yourself. You can help other businesses do the same. Yes, when you get access to Facedrip today, you get commercial license included for free. No additional $97 charges. You get the rights to use Facedrip not just for yourself, but your clients as well. There are local businesses, e-commerce stores, coaches and consultants, online marketers, influencers, and affiliate marketers that need interactive videos desperately to get the best results possible. They need clicks, they need traffic, they need leads, and they need to make a difference in their videos. You are giving your clients the chance to stand out there from their competitors. Now, this will allow you to start producing revenue, profits, and results for your clients and your own business virtually from day one. This is just an incredible opportunity for freelancers, agencies, and marketers alike to get access to a full-blown interactive video service that nobody else can offer yet, and get it for next to nothing. This is incredible. You'll be amongst a few marketers, a very few marketers and agencies to market with this service, and you'll be able to be way ahead of any competitor in your area as well, with no monthly fee, no yearly fee, no headaches, and you know what? No learning curve. It's easy. Offer this service on Fiverr as an example, or on other freelance sites. Help coaches, consultants, marketers, influencers, e-commerce store owners, and local businesses get more leads, more clicks and sales, and collect big checks from them for your services. Check the demo and examples below to see the full power of Facedrip and how it will dramatically boost your revenue and traffic right away with zero effort at all. To celebrate this special launch, we also have some exclusive bonuses lined up for you, and that is great. Take a look at this page below and you'll see those bonuses. Don't hesitate and take action right now, as this offer is limited to this launch special only. And once this launch is over, this incredible deal will be gone. So come on board right now.
Okay, so in addition to all the bonuses that you get from Facedrip, from the offer itself, I'm also offering vid animation, which lets anyone quickly and easily create video-style explainer-like videos with slideshows with tracking and audio for use on their websites. Also, Supreme Affiliate Marketing, a step-by-step guide on how to make money as an affiliate marketer, which you can use the Facedrip videos for. And then lastly, Power Jacker. And jacking is where you can, they say that you hijack a website, but you really don't. Basically, it's just an overlay. You overlay your video on top of an existing site by using a link that is yours that you send them to that overlays your stuff over their website. You're not hijacking anybody's website, but it's a really cool way to get your offer in front of people in a way that has more trust than if you were just doing it alone. So check these out. Check out Facedrip. I think it is a great piece of software. I highly recommend it. I have, I use several other tools to do most of the same stuff, and it's a lot more complicated and expensive to do it the way I do it. So go get it now, and let me know what you think. Post a comment if there's a comment available. If you're on LinkedIn, not LinkedIn. Well, yeah, if you are on LinkedIn, you might see it. But if you're on YouTube, put it in the comments section. If you're on Facebook, put it in the comment section. And if you want, send me a request and you can join my Facebook group, which deals with internet marketing, affiliate marketing, and things like that. Happy to have a conversation there and just talk about what you're doing. So go get Facedrip, get these bonuses, and all the best.